Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation from year 2015, 16 and 2017. If you need to find, guys, where the fuse boxes are located, you have two main fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where each one of those fuse boxes is located in case you need to check the fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here, guys, that's the F-150 that we will be demonstrating on, 2017 model. If you open the hood on your F-150, under the hood, guys, right behind the car battery, right there, will be your fuse box. That right there is your fuse box, guys. And if you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Those will be your fuses and relays. We'll have videos about each one of them. Let's say you need ABS fuse, we'll have it. If you need ignition coils fuse, we'll have that video as well. That way you don't have to waste your time going through manuals, and most of the times people will lose their manuals. The other fuse box is located in the cabin of your F-150 on the passenger side in the footwell right here by the kick panel, guys. We're talking right there. You remove the cover there, and when you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Those will be your fuses, guys. You can see all these fuses as well. So those are the 2 fuse boxes. For any of you needing help finding those, hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.